Hey everyone! Today, we're making DIY paper dolls, and our main character is going to be Tung 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 Sahur. First up, let's get our supplies ready. First up, the number one item you'll need is a pencil. A lot of people make the mistake of using markers instead of a pencil to sketch their characters. The catch with markers is that if you make a mistake, it's super hard to fix. The second tool on our list is coloring materials. You can use whatever you have on hand, but in my experience, crayons are much easier to color with. The third must-have tool is a black marker. This will help outline your character and give the whole design a clean, consistent look. Next are scissors and a craft knife, which will make cutting out all the pieces a breeze. And that's pretty much all we need. Now, let's jump straight into step 1. Now, we're going to sketch our character. Take your time, focus, and draw line by line. If you make a mistake, no worries. Just erase it and try again. For step 2, we're going to use our marker to outline the character. At this point, you can already see our character really starting to take shape. Now, we're going to use brown to color in our character. We're already halfway through. Now, grab your scissors and carefully cut out each part of the character. Next, we're going to circle the connection holes on the character's joints and draw little connecting circles to use instead of wire. Now, apply a little glue right in the middle of the joint hole. Align it properly, and then stick the small connecting circle right on top. And just like that, all the characters' parts are successfully connected. Were you able to follow along? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Bye.